Hey everybody, it's your boy JB and today we're making my best ever mini sausage recipe. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Give it a good mix together until combined. Add around 50 mini sausages into a bowl. Cover them in the sauce mixture. Combine thoroughly. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Put the sausages onto a tray and cook for 45 minutes. When cooked, cover in sesame seeds. As always, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Please also follow me on social media at FatLadFood. And if you like your recipes in print format, you can get them on fatladfood.co.uk.